Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in 2020. Okay, so here we are, 2020. Crypto is starting to get more popular again. It's sort of making a comeback. People are wondering, how can I get started in crypto? How can I get some free Bitcoin or some of these other tokens like Ethereum that people are talking about? So there's going to be multiple things in this video, but I'm just going to take you through it. Right off the bat, I recommend signing up with someone's referral link. This is my link right here. You can find it in the description. If you click this link, it's going to take you to this page, and you'll see that if you buy or sell $100 or more of crypto, you get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So that's an automatic 10% gain. However, you could sign up. You don't have to buy the $100 of cryptocurrency if you don't want. There's some other options that could potentially work for you, but you want to come here. You want to fill out the information, sign up. You'll need a valid ID, stuff like that, to prove that you're a legitimate person. So that's one way to get $10 of free Bitcoin if you just want to put in the $100. But they also have another option. This earn crypto section right here is super valuable, but like a lot of people just don't know about it, I guess. I don't know why people don't take advantage of this. So once you've signed up, you can come here, you can scroll down, you can take these courses. Now these courses, it plays like a short video, like 1 to 2 minutes long, and then you just click a multiple choice question with the correct answer, and you earn a little bit of crypto. Now I've already done all of these on my account. I'm just not signed in right now. You can earn $6, $9. Some of these are pending, so you might be able to earn on them in the future if you get on the wait list and stuff like that. $50 EOS, $50 XLM. And some of these aren't available right now, but they might become available again in the future. But that right there, $50, $50, $9, $115 right there. So you can get that free crypto. Then once you have that $100 in your account, it should automatically credit you with this $10 bonus here. And if it doesn't, you might need to just sell that and then buy it back or whatever you want to do. Also, you notice that this is giving you other cryptocurrencies. Kyber Network, Compound, Tezos, DAI, EOS, XLM, Zcash, BAT. So I have another video on my channel that you can go to that is a tutorial that will show you how to swap these. So you could get $50 in XLM, and then you just use the swap feature, and you can swap that into Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of these other cryptocurrencies that they have available on their platform. So there you have it. The easiest way to get started, get some free crypto, start to learn about it, start to invest in cryptocurrencies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.